Brothers, this car has a strange issue. You see, it's currently running, but when I step on the brake to shift, there's no gear position. Can't engage at all. Owner wanted to spend 800 yuan on a rental. I said, don't waste your money yet. Let me take a look first. This gear engagement issue you have is actually quite simple to fix. Watch how I handle it. I'm stepping on the brake now. Check if the brake light is on and back. It's not on, right? If it's off, that's easy to fix. Hand me your phone. I'll solve this in 2 seconds. Look under the steering wheel here. There's a part above the brake pedal. Let's check it out. See it? It's this green component. It's called the brake light switch. Usually, it just needs replacing. Let's remove it and take a look. It's very straightforward. First, turn it counterclockwise, then pull it out next, press this button, and unplug this connector. Okay, see? It comes right off. Now let's examine it. All right, we found the issue. Look, it has 2 pins here, 2 up, 2 down, different colors. See that? The top 2 pins are retracted, so it can't make contact. When you brake, it can't send a signal. That's why the car won't shift gears. Now that we know the problem, isn't the solution simple? I bought this new switch from the auto shop. It only cost 20 yuan. Now let's install it. We'll see if the car can shift gears. Installation is also very simple. Align the new switch with this small hole, push it in, then twist it and plug the connector back in. Okay, it's installed. Let's check it out. Go back and see if the brake light's on. Come on, step on it. It's on, right? Good. Now for the moment of truth. Watch me step on the brake and shift gears. See? Problem solved. How about that? Pretty simple, right?